Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're my returning subscriber, welcome and welcome back, guys. I love you. Thank you for stopping by to watch my content. And on today's video, we just cleaning my living room. Cleaning my space is my favorite thing to do. And yo, let's dive into it, guys. So that's literally me trying to get everything into its own place. And hello. Msichana najituma, guys. You see, very busy. But let's talk about that carpet, a 3D one, and I had to do it by myself. And yo, it wasn't easy, huh? And I had to carry that table, and let me tell you, Maina, it is very heavy, but yo, nimekula ugali, mimi ni Mluya, you know. So guys, hapa nilikuwa tu napanga 1 2 3, that's a Masai shuka to pillow hapa kule 1 2 3, you know. Voila, see that. Yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving them. I'm loving it here, of course. Yeah. That is on the other side of inaitwa nini, TV stand area na TV na kio. And one thing about that mirror, it makes my space look so big. Not so big, but it's big. When you look through it, utafikiria, hey, msichana kona space kubwa, but no, it's not big. That mirror is magic. I love it. I bought it at 5,000 shillings. Shout out to my friend. Kuna mtu aliniundia. Let's talk about how fluffy this table mat was. There is too much light. You can't see the table mat, guys, but ni fluffy like. Yeah. So I am so sorry. The light is bad. Yeah. So at that point, I was just kunyorosha curtain and all that. Then at that point, I was very tired and done with that. Okay. See, the living room is looking so cute. Yeah, it is looking so cute. But forgive me about the light, guys. It's too much at that point. I was unable to reduce it. Forgive me. I will do better one next. So twende sokoni tununue kuku na skuma, guys. My parents are coming over, so let's cook them some delicious meal. Kuku, ugali na skuma. Yes, that's my sister. Ni slaughter time, huh? Hapo tunakausha hatuna ile nini ya kukausha, so we were just doing it using gas cooker. And wacha tuone ingredients. Royco cubes, green pepper, soy sauce, kitunguu, nyanya. Yeah. So at that point, you see me blending that one. Let me tell you how it ended up to that. Nilikanga kitunguu na nyanya na zikakata kubondeka vizuri. So I decided to blend, and that's why it turned out like this. Okay. Vilazi kuiva vizuri na mimi sipendi kuona manyanya na vitunguu zimesimama. That's why nilitoa kwa jiko nika blend zikiwa moto, then that is a thick soup. So at that point nilikuwa deep fry kuku yangu and it was golden brown, and now I had to go in with my ingredients and voila, and put in the chicken, and it was looking so good, I'm telling you. And the taste, don't talk about it. It was so sweet, so delicious, so yummy. Call it your way. That is a soy sauce. I love soy sauce because it turns the color of the food and also the flavor, you know. Yeah, guys, I'm so happy that I know how to cook. I'm not a chef, but yo, I can cook. Huh? I don't know what went wrong there. So that is just another day, another clip that I decided to add on this video. It was a hair day. What is it called? Hair day? Hair time? I don't know. It sounds like airtime anyway. I had to get my hair done, and I was loving it there. So guys, if you have watched my video to this level, thank you for watching. Leave a sweet comment, like it. Oh, I love you all. Nawapenda sana. and let's meet on the next one, guys.